Latest on the transfer rumors. Yize ngeke kube mnandi, but it looks like uZakhelele Pasa might leave Orlando Pirates before iwin Del Valle ngolesihlanu. SuperSport are really pushing to sign uZakhelele Pasa after their main man uBradley Gropa ebene-injury ezomblasta iy'nyanga ey'ningi. So they are pushing to sign uZakhelele Pasa oseke waba kwi-loan kubona ngaphambilini. And the player is not getting any game time ko-Orlando Pirates, and it looks like ukufika kwa-Radobane kuzo-decrease futhi ama-chances akho ukuthi athole i-game time. Use amahebezi futhi kuthiwa i-SuperSport are pushing to sign uNokrovic. They are pushing to sign uNokrovic noma uZakhelele Pasa. They might get the two strikers. But at the moment it looks like uZakhelele Pasa might leave Orlando Pirates before iwin Del Valle ngolesihlanu. IBaroka have signed uSibusiso Mabiliso. Una-25 years usesayine i-contract eyi-1 year. I-team yakwi-Motsepe Foundation ile-Rumo United isisayine umdlalo oyedlalela i-Maritzburg United uFelix Obada ona-34. Sekukaningi ade afika kwi-PSL umdlalo lo. It looks like iMakofe Cup yase-Africa ngeyisaba khona kulo nyaka lo i-AFL. After iwinwe yi-Sundowns isethwe upresident we-CAF benopresident we-FIFA ukuthi kuphushe i-money laundering ngeyisaba khona. Abongile Tom will be in charge of i-VAR mase kudlala iZamalek iyodlala ne-Al Ahly kwi-CAF Super Cup ngomhla 27. Uzobe in charge of i-VAR, which is something engayi-understand ukuthi why South Africa singenayo i-VAR kodwa abongile Tom beyaba in charge of i-VAR ko-CAF Super Cup. But ke that's a story of another day. Utransfer room useyiconfirmile imali iSundowns eyathenga ngayo umdlalo wabo oyi-striker uMakgopo waseBrazil uArthur bamthenga ngo-3.2 euros. 3.2 euros masuyeyiconverta leyo mali njengoba ngangishilo last time. Masuyeyiconverta izoba u-63.7 million rands. 63.7 million rands. Awucabanga uzothenga uMakgopo waseBrazil ngo-63.7 million rands. But ke yeah, Sundowns isiyenze njalo. Yaqhubeka iyawasha. That's it for today. uZakhelele Pasa might leave Orlando Pirates and go to SuperSport United.